Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Power the Sportage to ACC or on so the infotainment system is active. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This allows the car to see the device. Make sure phone notifications are silenced to avoid pairing interruptions, and have a PIN ready. Many systems use 0000 or 1234. Because the head unit will prompt you. Doing this upfront saves time and avoids repeated connection attacks. Now on the Kia touchscreen, navigate to Setup, then Bluetooth, then add new device or phone. You should see a list. Select your phone once it appears. The head unit and phone will display a PIN. Confirm those digits match, because that authenticates the link and prevents pairing with the wrong device. After accepting, grant permissions on your phone for contacts and media. This enables hands-free calling and media playback. Make sure to keep both displays visible until confirmation completes. Finish by testing. Play music and make a quick call to verify audio routes through Bluetooth and the mic works. Once confirmed, set the phone as a priority or auto-connect device so future connections are automatic. If things go wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Reboot your phone, turn the car off and back to ACC, then delete any old pairings on both devices before retrying. This clears conflicts and usually resolves stubborn pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.